So nowadays YouTube has lots of feature like auto dub, but auto subtitle. But still, if you want to edit your video caption subtitles, so you can go here. Wait a second, what's this? So you can go, for example, in this video, simply go to edit, so you can see subtitle option. So here you can edit your a subtitle, and you can add it, and you can add many more. So that's how you can do it in. And also you can add end screen cards. End screen means you can see like this type of my logo, and here is one video. You can add all these things here, and you can add cards like your old videos in it will pop out in video. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like and